Hi friends, while installing Mac OS Sierra, we got an error message called to download and restore Mac OS. Your computer eligibility will be verified with Apple, but if I select continue, it will not start. Again, it will ask if I set the continue. Again, it will ask to download and restore Mac OS, but it is not continuing. For this, what has to be done is simply you need to click this Wi-Fi button. You need to be connected to your Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi network, Innovative Computer Solutions. I will type my password. And then click join button. Now we can see now the Wi-Fi has been connected. Now we will try it once again. Now I click this continue button. It will ask him to download and restore Mac OS. I select continue. Yes, now it's started. Okay, thank you.